Hi teacher, my presentation. Who I am? My name is Ingrid Paola Suarez Perez. I am 24 years old. I was born in Guaranda, Sucre. My address is Carrera 15 with Calle 4 in the Tamagus neighborhood. My cell phone number is 31469155623. I have a 4-year-old here. What work do I do? I am a teacher, the preschooler level in an institution. I love my home. My dreams. I would like to finish my degree in English, learn to have this language, to continue growing personally and professionally. Bye bye teacher, thank you.